Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your Xiaomi TV Stick 4K quickly and easily. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner, this guide will walk you through every step to get your TV stick up and running. Let's get started. Let's start by unboxing the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K. Inside the box, you'll find the TV stick itself, a remote control, a power adapter, an HDMI extender for tight spaces, and a user manual. Make sure you have everything before we proceed. First, plug the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K into an available HDMI port on your TV. If your TV is mounted close to the wall, you can use the HDMI extender provided. Next, connect the USB power cable to the TV stick and plug the other end into a power source. You can use either a USB port on your TV or the included power adapter for this. Now, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that you connected the TV stick to. You should see the Xiaomi logo appear on the screen. Next, let's pair the remote. Hold the remote close to the TV stick and press the home and menu buttons simultaneously until you see the pairing prompt on the screen. Once the remote is successfully paired, you'll see a prompt to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your network from the available options, enter your Wi-Fi password, and connect to establish a secure internet connection. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it right from the TV stick. After signing in, you'll be guided through a few basic settings. Choose your preferred language, set up the Google Assistant if you like, and decide whether to enable features like screen mirroring. You can always change these settings later in the menu. Now that your Xiaomi TV Stick 4K is set up, you can start installing your favorite apps. Head over to the Google Play Store and download streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Disney. Once installed, simply open the app, sign in, and start streaming your favorite content in 4K quality.